Welcome to our channel. Creating an Internet of Things device using an ESP32 microcontroller is an excellent introduction to hardware programming and connecting physical devices to the Internet. Step 1. Purchase an ESP32 development board, which includes built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capabilities, along with a USB cable for programming and power. Step 2. Install the Arduino IDE on your computer, which is the software environment you'll use to write and upload code to your ESP32. Step 3. Add ESP32 board support to Arduino IDE by adding the ESP32 board manager URL in Preferences and installing the ESP32 boards package. Step 4. Connect your ESP32 to your computer via USB and select the correct board and port in the Arduino IDE's Tools menu. Step 5. Write a simple test program to blink the built-in LED, verifying that you can successfully upload code to your ESP32. Step 6. Connect your ESP32 to Wi-Fi by writing code that uses the Wi-Fi library to connect to your network using your network name and password. Step 7. Add sensors or components to your ESP32, such as temperature sensors, motion detectors, or buttons, connecting them to the appropriate GPIO pins. Step 8. Write code to read data from your sensors and perform actions based on that data, such as turning on an LED when motion is detected. Step 9. Send data to the Internet using HTTP requests or MQTT protocol to communicate with cloud services or dashboards that display your sensor data. Step 10. Power your IoT device independently using a battery pack or USB power adapter once you've finished programming and testing. Your ESP32 IoT device is now collecting data and communicating with the Internet. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.